In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact TikTok customer support with their email or anything else. So basically what you want to do to contact them, hit the me icon. Well, let me get rid of this. Hit the me icon, then go to the three dots at the top, then go down till you see report a problem under support. Hit report a problem, and here you can see a lot of things, and if one of these things is your problem, you can hit it, but if it's not, you can scroll down and hit the last one, privacy and abuse report. You want to hit privacy and abuse report. Now you can hit other and hit still have a problem, and now if you have a problem, you can just put it in here. So just enter in anything you want. You can put it in here, but if this is not what you want their email, that's also possible. You can go to your browser then, and then type in your browser tiktok.com / legal / terms of use, just like, not like that. Let's do it again. Terms of use, just like this, and this will bring you over to this page, and when you scroll down you can find some more information here. You can see the first email when we scroll down there right here. If you have a legal problem, it's legal@tiktok.com. It's also privacy@tiktok.com, and it's also if you have a different problem, you can send it to legal or just privacy, and they will respond to you. So that's the way how to contact TikTok customer support. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe.